Okay guys, 2022 BMW X3. I'm gonna show you guys how to replace the right engine mount. First thing, you guys gonna remove all these covers and this plate here. Then you guys gonna get a jack with a piece of wood, and we're gonna lift up the engine a little bit. So we can remove these 13mm bolts on the engine mount. So now we want to remove this bolt here that holds the bracket on the engine, but the engine mount. So we're going to remove that. It's a torque bolt. Okay, so now we're gonna lift up the engine a little bit. So in this case, it looks like it's not gonna come out. So we're gonna have to remove the bracket that holds the engine mount and the engine. So we're gonna remove that. Okay guys, I already removed the bolt. Now we're gonna remove the bracket. Let me see if I can reach it. Just gonna put it here to the side. Then we're gonna remove the bolts from the bottom from the engine mount, and we're gonna remove the engine mount. So now we're gonna remove the bottom bolts from the engine mount. Now we'll go to the side to see if we can remove the engine mount. I'm gonna bring it to the front. Okay. 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 To the bottom here. It's not coming out. I'm gonna try. There we go. We have it out. Awesome. So we have the new part here. As you can see, this is so broken because this vehicle being in a collision, in an accident. That's why we're replacing this. So now we're gonna put the new part. gonna go ahead and put the bolts on the bottom on the engine mount. Okay, I already put the bolts on the bottom from the engine mount. Now we'll go on the side and trying to put the bracket. Okay, already put the bracket in place. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the bolts. As you can see, already put the bolt, holds the bracket in the engine mount. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the bolts that hold the bracket on the engine. Then we're gonna tie these 3 bolts on the engine mount on the bottom. We're gonna tie them completely. Okay, so then we're gonna put this cover here on the side. So now we're gonna put this plate in place. So let me do that. Now we're gonna put these 2 10mm bolts on this cover here. So that's how to replace the right side engine mount on the 2022 BMW X5. If you guys like the videos, don't forget to subscribe. That's it, and thanks for watching.